Well guys, how's it going? Adam for Basic Urban Cards, and here I am again with another card opening. Today we are back again. Match Attax, the new set has come out recently. I don't know how recently because Australia gets everything later than everyone else. But we have 6 packs of the new ones. These ones say up top, 3 special insert cards per packet. So this one is obviously the Europa? How do you pronounce that? Europa? Or Europa League, Europa Conference League, and the Champions League. So let's hope we can get something cool. Let's see if what the special cards are for this. Okay, Mirror Rainbow, 1 to 10, Gold, 1 of 1. Ooh, so we can get 1 of 1s of this. Pretty cool. Parallel Mirror, generate an autograph combo, subsequently numbered. So if we can get an order, that'd be pretty sick. Odds, highly unlikely. We've opened a lot of these and never gotten an order, but let's see what we can get. Okay, the base is looking like most years. I don't know who we can get because most of the times they have gone. Okay, we've got Lima, Roots, Denuma. Then we have a stopper. That is Taibot Courtois, a warrior of Presnel Pembe. Next gen, so this would be the rookie card. Kenneth Taylor. Ooh, we got 100 club of Courtois. So we'll have a quicker look at the 100 club, which is pretty good. 100 club again this year has 100 club in the back, which I love. We'll have a closer look at the rookie card because it looks a little cool. It's like a shattered like effect, but like of different patterns. So that's pretty sick. Last year's ones looked pretty sick as well, but that's technically 4 inserts per pack, so we may get a box of these this year. They're always kind of cheap. Okay, Ralston, Pepe, Bastoni, another Pepe, different Pepe, but Zuma, Unha, Grimaldo, Goncalves, and then we have a Suchek, Enforcer, Kulusevski, Starler, man of the match with the same pattern as the next gen. This one is Hernandez, and I guess that's a crystal parallel. I must have them again. Of Timber. Pretty cool. There's a code for someone. This one will be the halfway mark. Konate, Grealish, James, Bonucci, Depay, Fakir. Oh, we got some type of gold one. I don't think it's a 1 of 1 one, but Zagagni, Giroud even. And then we have Matchmaker. Okay, so it wasn't a gold one. It's just with a bit of gold on the background. Stopper, Becker. Use focus properly, please. And then we have a legend card. This looks pretty sick. Code for someone. Fernando Torres. So I'll just put him in that stack for now. And we have these heritage cards again. Is that Canales? The heritage in orange spot. I'll put these in because they got the same effect. We'll put them in the same spot. Okay, so there's a lot of insets. a lot of different types of inserts, so like a cool numbered card. Get rid of these straight away because they're kind of annoying. Okay, Fred, simple name. And then we go to Bentenker, Hulustondo, Sa, Sobolossalai, Vlasic, Hart. We'll skip Henrik. We'll go straight to Warrior of Kimmich, Forcer of Kessie, Man of the Match, Signature Style, Mikel Oyarzabal, and another 100 club. They must be giving them out a lot easier this year. And that is Cancelo. Just doing his little gang sign there. Wonder if 100 clubs easier to get this year. 100 club, 1 in 6 packs. So we've got 2 in 6 packs, so I guess we're doing good in odds. Okay. Alvarez, Shaw, Club Insignia, Chelsea, Cuadrado, Arialjo. Sorry, I don't know where he's from, so Gulaxi, God, they're getting harder. Braganza, Lazio Club. We have match winner, Saka. I think we've already gotten this one. Uppermencano, Stopper. Next gen, Mabry, another 100 club. This time, oh, I just forgot to give away the code. Wait, I'm pretty certain I did. No, I didn't. Verratti, blitzing through the 100 club set. We're doing a lot better than we usually do every year. You know, 1 year I got a lot as well. But we'll probably be opening these cards for a while after this, because I like trying to get a set. Okay, Winks, McGregor, Silva, Nyanza, Albona, Rudiger, Leo, Timber. We have Virgil van Dijk, Warrior, De Houd, Enforcer. Then we have Man of the Match, Goncalves, and we have another Heritage. This time it is Taremi. So all in all, pretty cool. Didn't get any of the super awesome cards, but we've got the Chrome Shields, we've got the 100 Club, 1 in 6 pack, Black Edge cards, 1 in 16, Chrome 1 in 24, Chrome Preview 1 in 36, Genuine Autograph cards with sequentially numbered parallels, Mirror of 1 to 25, 1 to 10, Gold 1 of 1, Genuine Autograph combo cards, sequentially numbered, same, 25 to 10 to 1. So obviously our biggest hits would probably be these 100 clubs, as every year they're pretty cool, normal, out of the normal inserts. Obviously autos and such are pretty cool, and mem cards, but I don't think you get mem cards this year. But we've got these 300 clubs, which is pretty sick. And with that, we will end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, If you'd like to see more videos like this, please click subscribe. If there's any particular card openings you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section. I'll probably be doing these in Pokemon, I'll be honest, for a while, until the end of the year video, which I'll do my top 10 and end of the year opening, which I have already done. It just takes so long to edit. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.